If you are looking for a great metal detector that's easy to put together and just a ton of fun, you're absolutely gonna love this. It also comes with a shovel right here that you can take with you, which is great, and also a pair of headphones. So you can plug them in right over here so you don't have to make noise. So how this works is here, you're just gonna power this on, and then once it's on, we're gonna just start walking around, see if we find anything, see if it buzzes at all. Really like this. They have this nice little handle right here. You can put the Velcro around. It looks like it's saying there might be like a nail or a screw over here. It looks like there is like a little screw right over there. So as we go over here, you'll see here we got a little kind of fire pit guy right over here. It's saying 35 right here. And then we got this over here. It's really starting to go. So if you're looking for a great metal detector, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.